Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about GUI programming in Python. Let's start our class. GUI, Graphical User Interface. Programming in Python involves creating interfaces that allow users to interact with applications visually, rather than through a command line interface. Python offers several libraries for GUI development, with the most common ones being tkinter, pyqt, and kiwi. tkinter. tkinter is a standard GUI library in Python and is included with most Python installations. It is easy to use and suitable for small to medium sized projects. We will see a Python program.